ये अभी पितृपक्ष चल रहा है. So I would definitely want to ask you because you come from the world of science. And how does science and pitrupaksh make sense to you?
So when I understand it from a lens of the quantum field, we all live inside this field of energy, right?
Yeah.
And everything that's happening within human consciousness is leaving an imprint on the quantum field.
Okay.
So and what is leaving an imprint? So there are two types of energy. One is energy in motion. So energy is flowing.
Yeah.
That doesn't leave an impact or an imprint or a dent on the quantum field or in the grid out there. But when there's some heavy thing happening that is unprocessed, stuck energy, unprocessed energy, unforgiven patterns,
The
anything
denser
that's
energies.
denser energies,
Yeah.
now that gets stuck in the quantum field with an imprint of the personal soul's blueprint.
Okay.
Now, when you understand human beings, we are all carrying our DNA of our ancestors.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So, and one human DNA, it's like, for example, if this glass of water, right? And I put a lot of green color in it. Now I pour it into another glass, this green color will go into that glass. Then I pour it into a third glass. And so the green color flows no matter how.
Yeah, that's how
So-
we carry like karmic
Karmic
packages.
patterns and ancestral
Yeah, like
patterns.
7 पीढ़ी का वो लोग
Yes.
बोलते हैं कि you're carrying those imprints somewhere.
Now, I told you the entire universe works in coordination only for one thing, to keep the energy in motion.
Yeah.
वो है
To
objective.
keep moving. Yeah.
To keep moving.
Yeah.
So these portals, these timelines, these things like Pitrapaksh, the good times and the bad times, like they say, 9 days do fasting, the time is good. So all of these timelines are only targeting towards one thing, to put more energy to heal and to put more energy into motion. So this window of Pitrapaksh is an opportunity for us, because every lineage gets an opportunity to end patterns so that our children forward,
Yeah.
our generation forward, are not carrying those patterns.
Yeah.
So number one, also please understand, I told you there's 3D and then there is a 4D tunnel, it's a dark tunnel, and 5D.
Yes.
So if our ancestors also have not moved on to the light is in the 5D. So many souls are stuck in the dark tunnel for whatever reason. Maybe they were scared of dying. Okay, but their soul's time just came to die. So they left the body, right? The body died, but the soul is somewhere scared to move to the light. So it's stuck there. So this is that timeline or an opportunity for all of us who are alive here. See, because when you get stuck, no? And
So you get stuck as
you get stuck and you don't know, you don't have awareness.
So which area, like where?
The 4D.
The
The 4D is the dimension.
Yeah. So but then at that time you've not reincarnated as anything else. You're just stuck.
You're stuck. Again, okay, now this is again multidimensionality. If I go,
Yeah.
a part of your soul could have reincarnated, a fragment of it may be stuck.
Oh.
This is again, it's
Yeah.
deeper, yeah.
Yeah.
So let's not go there, we'll divert.
Okay. Got
Okay,
it, yeah.
but then,
You do have fragments of
course, moksha is when I collect all the fragments of my soul and okay, let me give you an example.
Yeah.
Okay, let's understand there is a jigsaw puzzle of 100 pieces. Now, when will the picture be complete? When all 100 pieces are put together?
Yes.
Now, it's time, and my soul is like a jigsaw puzzle with many, many pieces. But due to trauma, lifetimes of karma and all, our pieces get fragmented and we leave them in timelines
Oh,
as
so
stagnated energy.
Okay.
So let's say in this lifetime, I died, okay, but I've taken only 70 pieces with me. Where are my 30 pieces? Somewhere in some timeline as stagnated energy. So now I'll have to reincarnate to get those 30 pieces back.
Got it.
Right? You understand this concept. So now when
And first you're going to be working on those 30 pieces that are left,
Yes.
because when you've reincarnated,
yeah, because I have to take
you
those
have to take
pieces
those
back.
pieces.
That's the goal. Now, when a soul dies and is stuck in 4D, right, could be a few of their fragments is reborn as energy, because it's soul energy, right? And few pieces are still stuck somewhere in some timeline. So this Pitrapaksh is an opportunity for me now to connect with my entire lineage, because their stuck pieces will keep me stuck. The patterns, the universe, the quantum field is a mirror and it's self-reflecting. Whatever has my signature on it.
Yeah.
And my ancestors are carrying my energy signature. So let's say all those ancestors stuck somewhere in some timeline with one piece stuck. It's all reflecting in my life and my children's life. So this is an opportunity for us to now tune into the quantum field and just pray that wherever in my lineage, whatever is stuck, all of them come together and I'm moving them to light. And just with me purely observing them moving to light, they move to light. So they say they do prayers
Yeah.
for our ancestors.
दान करते हैं बहुत सारे लोग
Yeah.
उस पीरियड पे.
Ideally, it's a very good time for you to actually nurture your entire lineage and activate your DNA to a higher dimension. Because let's say if one pattern is stuck from maybe my great grandfather into my DNA, I can't move into 5D.
Because it is going to
it's
be
impacting
you
me.
also. Yeah.
It's like I could take a big jar of pure Amrit and pour one drop of susu in it. The whole thing gets impacted, or one drop of poison in it.
Yeah.
So it's about cleaning it
The
fully.
kachra, yeah, because even if you're
Yeah.
trying to move ahead, there is something that's going to hold you back.
Yeah.
And that's your lineage.
Yeah.
Somewhere or the other.
So this is a beautiful time for us to move beyond.
So मैंने ये एग्जाम्पल भी सुना था कि बहुत सारे एक फैमिली मतलब दिस वाज वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स एंड दे टोल्ड मी दैट उनके घर में सब लड़कियों की शादी नहीं हो रही थी. It was like literally the whole entire family and they did some kind of family healing like जो पूजा part and suddenly all of them started
Start
getting
getting
married.
Yeah, wow.
And I feel that this makes so much sense because I never thought of this, that there are, you can reincarnate, but fragments of you can
Yeah.
be stuck. And that is because of the denser energy that they're carrying while they die.
And also, you know what? So when you understand the 3 types of karma, okay?
Okay.
Sanchita karma, prarabdha, and kriyamana karma. Sanchita karma is my 100 pieces.
Got it.
All of my lifetime that I've lived.
Okay.
As any other thing.
Hmm.
Now, let's say I died and I left 40 pieces somewhere in some timelines. Now I have an opportunity to reborn again. So then I don't want to take 40. I don't want to go back to collect 40 pieces. It's too much work. So in this lifetime, I'll go and only collect 20.
Okay.
So my 20 abhi bhi fragmented hai na?
है ना?
But it's the same soul.
Yeah.